In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take attendance in Microsoft Teams. This is a straightforward process that's especially helpful for teachers, team leaders, and anyone running online sessions where it's important to know who attended. By the end, you'll feel confident tracking participants without slowing down your meeting. First, open your browser and head to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, navigate to the area related to meetings and calls. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner. Enter your login details and follow any on-screen prompts. After you're signed in, you're ready to manage your meeting from one place. Now it's time to start your meeting. Look for the video or camera icon and click it. This action prepares Microsoft Teams to launch your virtual meeting space. Before you continue, take a moment to check your camera and microphone settings. Make sure the right devices are selected and your audio levels look healthy. A quick check now helps avoid delays later and ensures your participants can hear and see you clearly. When everything looks good, click the option to start the meeting. This officially begins your session, whether it's a class, a team discussion, or a status update. Right at the start, it's a good practice to remind participants to mute their microphones when they're not speaking. Keeping background noise down makes it easier for everyone to focus and for you to keep accurate records of who's present. As the meeting gets underway, it's time to monitor attendance. In the meeting controls, find the people icon and click it. This opens a pane that shows everyone currently in the meeting. You'll see participants as they join, and if someone arrives late, they'll appear in this list too. Take a quick glance periodically to stay on top of who is present. Recording attendance is simple. You can manually note down the names you see in the participants list, which works well for smaller groups. If you prefer a more automated approach, consider using digital tools or add-ons that integrate with your workflow to capture names consistently. Whichever method you choose, keeping your attendance organized with dates and meeting titles will help you stay consistent and make follow-ups easier. And that's all there is to it. Taking attendance in Microsoft Teams can be quick, clear, and reliable when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching.